Hello everybody and welcome to Maths. This is the Blue Group Maths lesson. Are you ready to sing with me? I love maths, yes I do. I love maths, how about you? We love maths, yes we do. We love maths and we're ready to. Okay, these are our star words for today. It's going to be my turn, your turn. So I'm going to say the words first and I want you to copy me and say the words after me. Okay, so I've got square, triangle, rectangle, circle, long, round, straight, and turn. Today we are going to be exploring shape. So right now you might know some of the names of the shapes already, but we're not going to worry too much about naming them today. What I want you to do is explore them. So I have given you some shapes in your learning pack, and before you start you will need to cut them all out. You might want to get a grown-up to help you with this job as it's a little bit tricky. Cut out all of the shapes in your learning pack. Then you will need to go onto the next page of your maths book. Today's page says Tuesday the 2nd of February 2021 and it says to explore shapes. What we're going to do is we're going to make a picture with the shapes we've just cut out. So I have made a house picture. I've used a rectangle for the door. I've used a square for my house. Now, you might not have been given a square this big, so you might have to make your own by cutting it out of some paper. But you might not make a house, so that's not really a problem. I've got a circle window, a triangle window, a square window, and a rectangle window. And I've used triangles for curtains and for my roof. To make the roof, I had to turn some of my triangles upside down so that they fit in. I then made a sunshine with a circle and I drew some lines around it because I just wanted it to look a bit better. And I've also used a rectangle and a triangle for a chimney. And a little tiny circle for my door handle. You are allowed to cut the shapes if you want them to be smaller or smaller. If you want them to be larger, you might need to make your own from paper like I've said. Just make sure that it is the same shape. So if you cut it, if I cut this one, it would still need to be a rectangle. But if I wanted it to be a smaller rectangle, maybe that big, that is okay. I would like you to make a picture. You could make a dog, you could make a car, you could make a train or a motorbike, you could make a horse, you could make a castle. I don't know, you can make anything you want. But when you have made your picture, you will need to glue your shapes in your book under the title. And then I want you to tell somebody about your picture. So, just like I did, I talked you all through how I used the shapes to make my house. You might say, I have made a dog. I used one big rectangle and 4 small rectangles. I used 1 circle and 1 triangle. That's an example. After you've done this activity and stuck it in your book, you might want to find some objects in your house to make a bigger picture on the floor. So maybe books could be rectangles, you might have some plates that could be circles, and some cups could be smaller circles. I don't know, you might have all different kinds of things. It would be amazing if you could make me a large picture on the floor using objects and take a photo and send it to me at the school email address, and I will just write that here to remind you. Okay, so it's year 2 at putglow.sheffield.sch.uk. Okay, I'd love it if you could email your pictures to us there. That would be fantastic. Can't wait to see them. Well done, you super learners. Bye.